So, students, let us now discuss the internal questions of chapter number 7, packing. Okay. Now, first internal question, you have to write these internal questions. So, first internal question is on page number 83. So, on the top of the page you have some space, you can write over there. I am just dictating you the question first, then we will go to the answer. Okay. So, write down the question, how does author describe about his experience with man he lived once. I am repeating the question, how does author describe about his experience with man he lived once. So, to answer this question we will refer, see here, from this is para number 3, it has been marked according to the chapter. Okay. So, here right from the first line, I lived with a man once who used to make me mad that way. So, we will use this line, you can use this line later on and you can start like this. He would loll on sofa and watch me doing things by the hour together. He said it did him real good to look at him messing about. Now, see this question, this particular paragraph is in first person. So, you have to change it in a passive form, like the person who lived once with me, made me, like this. Here me is being used. Okay. You have to change it he. Okay. So, the author describes about his experience with a man he lived once as he used to loll on the sofa and watch him. Instead of me you can write him. Okay. So, watch him doing things by the hour together. He said it did him real good to look on at the author messing about. This made him mad that way. Okay. So, in this manner you have to frame the answer basically. I am just giving you a reference, a paragraph where you can refer to for the answer. Okay. Now, let us move to the second question of, you have to move to page number 88. Okay. You can write the question here. I am just telling you the question first and then we will refer the answer. Okay. So, write down the question, when packing was finally done, what did Harris do? And how did George react to it? I am repeating the complete question. When packing was finally done, what did Harris do and how did George react to it? So, this is our question, and to answer this question we will move to the second part of para number 14. See here in the, this is para number 14 and this is the second part. So, the paragraph starts with the same reference as the packing was done at 12:50 and Harris sat on the big hamper and said he hoped nothing would be found broken. George said that if anything was broken, it was broken with reflection seemed to comfort him. So, this is how these particular lines, these 4 lines are referring to the complete answer of this question. So, students, you have to frame the answer referring to these lines in your words. Okay. So, this is how you have to prepare the internal questions. Thank you, students.